Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily blur a portion of a video in Adobe After Effects. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can blur this lights in Adobe After Effects. So what I'm going to do first is select the layer which I want to import the blur on, and then once that's done, what I'll have to do is I'll duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl plus D. And now you can see the clip is duplicated, and what I have to do first is select the upper layer and create a mask on whichever portion you want the blur to be imported. As you can see, okay, let me just draw the portion where I want the mask to be imported, like that. I'm just drawing it rough because, to show you guys in lesser time. So once that's done, what I have to do is go into the effects and presets panel right here. If you can't find the effects and preset panel, go to the Windows section and then click on this effects and presets. And now what I have to do is import the blur, Gaussian blur effect right here. You have to search for Gaussian blur, and you can find this one. You can import it to the layer where you have drawn the mask. And now this will pop up. If this didn't pop up for you, what you can do is go into the Windows section and then you can check this effects controls option. And now I will increase the blurriness. As you can see, the video is blurred right there. You have to adjust the values to make it correct. And then as you can see, so that's how we can easily blur a portion of a video in Adobe After Effects. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.